Hello guys, it's me Arados12. Sorry about that. I think you missed the gist of it. It was a splash screen that came up before I started recording, but that's okay. So, today we're going to be going over the updates of the app, and I'm also going to show you another thing later on when I record the video. So stay tuned for those two videos for today. Anyways, let me get started. I'll be back once I've loaded up the screen again. So now I'm back, and as you see here, this is the splash screen. I designed the Saberfront thing myself, and it should come up with the... There we go. The latest news is right there. There you go. Interesting, isn't it? And this is the bar. I've changed the image, by the way, so that it will look better. And if you click on it, you should see this. You can view the level library, which is coming soon. There will be a sign-in feature that allows you to sign in with your Microsoft or Facebook or whatever account you have. And then it's just as long as it's named, like if it's going to be another account or something, it has to be named accordingly because there's certain ways this works. Now you can also access web portals. Now what this does is something really good. See this here? This is supposed to come up soon. I'm going to add some loading images to it. But it's where it will load the site, like any portal that is Saberfront related, such as this one. This is my account. And also I would recommend, if you're in the Saberfront Discord or Saberfront group, I would recommend signing up for this. Because this right here will give you all the updates and everything, as well as the blog. And you can also connect with other users on Saberfront. It's basically like a portal. So, yeah. Also, like, this is my plan. Site info right here. As you can see, I haven't set it up all the way yet, but there will be a point where it can actually happen. So here's the activity. This is our game. Currently, this is Roblox for PC. But there will be Roblox for Xbox sometime later. There's recruitment, there's about page, there are games, PC, and then there are members. But right now I'm currently the only one. There also has a chat room, as you can see here on the app. This is the chat room. So basically what this does is that it's like you can chat with other users, you can basically do what you want, but there is going to be moderation. Recruitment will be different, by the way. This is just an example application form. So in order to be able to apply, you basically have to remember one thing. When you apply to become a moderator, you have to have certain skills and you have to be good at moderating. That's another thing you have to remember. You have to be good at moderating the forums and all the other places that could involve cursing, because we want to keep our community safe. Now, the only thing I can say about this is that really the moderation is for a good purpose, and that the moderation cannot be abusive. If it's abusive, you will get banned, you will be terminated from the site, period. There could be a terms of service for this site. Who knows? But you just gotta remember that one thing and that one thing only. Now, if you want to go to the gallery, if I can get it loading, currently right now this thing is stuck or something like that. Oh yeah, no, gallery, recruitment, chat room. Yeah. Currently right now everything looks good, but I'm just gonna go back to the home page. Now you can also go back to the home page, if I haven't mentioned before. And what that does is it basically takes you back here. We have Saberfront news and updates, new blasters available. Basically, this is from the blog that I've made on GitHub, and you can easily make a blog on GitHub. All you have to do is remember you need the Jekyll package or Jekyll Ruby gem in order to make a blog on GitHub. And whenever you make posts, it's dynamically generated, so it's fine. So this is the basic scoop that we have right here. And one of my friends, Roblox Nation, with zeros instead of O's, created an EE4. We both built and scripted it. And the EE4 is basically a really good weapon. It's a shotgun blaster, which means that it can fire spread shots. And yeah, there also will be a blog post that will replace this, talking about the app. But this is basically what we have here. We're going to have the EE3, which is a burst fire. SE14 is coming up. Even though it's in the game, it will be replaced. GL77, legendary weapon from the Pantora fight that between the Talls and the 501st. The E11S, which will be a sniper, and the DLT-19X are all coming to Saberfront. But that's all from last week. Today, I'm going to be talking about the app, just like I said earlier. Now let's go back and show you exactly what we have in terms of... Now what I mean by I mean by like Saberfront Studios. But in terms of the site, if it loads. Now also there's an app bar down here that you can use. Saberfront Studios engine and all that. But that's like, I'm going to replace that logo with something else. Now let's go to the gallery. Now there will be an album showing how the sniper and everything works. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna add an album, and once I add an album, everything should be good in terms of that. Those pictures, because I don't want to lose those. And then there's events. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this event right here isn't supposed to be, because my birthday is really on well, I tried to make a video on my birthday last year. It's in October. But yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna tell you guys. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, guys. Just had a problem. My birth date. Apparently, it was wrong in the wrong place. It's not on the 18th of February. It's actually on the 23rd of October. I was going to do a special for my birthday last year that featured a Let's Play with Car Crushers. This was a game I used to play back in 2015. But that game, like that video, was too big on that computer, and apparently it didn't get uploaded at all. But yeah, that's what the events are. And if we go to October 23rd, look at this. This right here is what I'm talking about. This is my 20th birthday coming up in October. I will have a special for that, because me turning 20 is just amazing, you know? I turned 19 last year, but this time I'm going to turn 20. So it's basically going to be 20 years since I was born. And another fun fact for you guys to know. It's been 20 years since they've actually made, let me say, Office 97. Office 97. It's been 20 years. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, this is me, Erdos12, saying thank you for watching the video. If you want, you can like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you like to do. And that's it. So, cheers.